Welcome back to MicroStrategy Administrations course, and in this video we are going to learn how to restrict the subscriptions to a specific users, and this is going to be a completely practical videos. So guys, if you are like the videos, if you are enjoying the videos and you are really learning the videos from the videos, please subscribe the channel and help us to get the 5,000 subscribers. And I'm trying to provide you to the original content of the MicroStrategy and the AWS as also. Okay, so let's start with this video. What's the subscriptions permissions are? So the subscriptions access control list or the ACLs allows you to enable or disable the subscriptions on individual reports or the documents and specify permissions for specific users or the groups. And in any case of conflicts, the permissions at the users level take the precedencies over those at the group level. So keep in mind always the whatever permissions you have at the users level, that's gonna take the precedencies over your group level. So in this exercise we are going to restrict the subscriptions to a specific groups, right? So let's connect with our MicroStrategy webs here, and I'm just opening my web page. It will take few seconds to load. So now my web console has been open and it's connected to my MicroStrategy tutorial project. So I'm going to log in into this project with the administrator username and the password is blank. That's it will give you the product activations warning if it's not activated, and that's fine. Then you can hit the continue. And here you need to go to under the share reports, and under share reports you have the subjects area, you have the the couple of reports under this one, and then human resource analysis, and then you can execute any of the reports here. So I'm just going to execute the employee headcount by the uh, you know profitability analysis here, the employee profitability, and I'm just going to run. Executed this reports and you can see the output, though you don't worry about this output, how it's coming from where it's and which data set is being used, because our whole purpose is to restrict the subscription. So you need to go to the tools, and under tools you can see the report options here, and under the report options you will get the options for the delivery. You can see we have the four types here: the general formats, you can format what type of format of the reports you just want it, and we are interested into the delivery options here. So we are going into delivery tab. So you have the options under the delivery tabs, the users for the subscriptions. By default it's allow all users to subscribe to these reports, but we are going to restrict to the specific groups, not to all. Or you can choose this option, the first one, that's the first radio box, radio button here. That's allow you to do not allow any users to subscribe these reports, allow all users, or the specific. We have the three radio buttons here. So we need to select to this one, allow only to these reports, and you have who has access, right? So we just want to give the access to our our analyst only. We don't want to give all the permissions to anyone else except the analyst. So you just need to expand them, and you must have something like analyst. There's the desktop analyst, and next 30 more items. We have couple of them. uh, the viewers, analytics servers. Let me just, you have any many options right here, so you can select them, the MicroStrategy web reporters or desktop analyst. So I just want to give the permissions to these two groups only. So that's the process to restrict your subscriptions to particular users, right? From here, and you can just need to click on OK. So now we have added only two groups, and only two groups are now able to subscribe to the selected reports. So I hope you understand now how to restrict the particular users or the groups to a reported to a selected reports, and that's gonna help you a lot into the production environment, guys. Thank you.